In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to download and install the NFL app on your Samsung Smart TV. Let's get started. Power on your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. Navigate to the apps icon at the bottom of the screen. Select it to open the Samsung App Store. In the apps menu, go to search, magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. Type NFL using the on-screen keyboard. Select NFL app from search results. Click install. Wait a few moments for it to download and install on your TV. Once installed, select open. Sign in with your NFL account or your TV provider login if required. You are now ready to stream NFL games, highlights, and exclusive content directly on your Samsung Smart TV. And that's it. That's how you download and set up the NFL app on your Samsung Smart TV. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.